dinemanda kayo, but at the same time, you are addressing the issues, the vulnerabilities that was raised by Attorney Respicio. Ina-address niyo yun at the same time, pagkatapos dinemanda niyo siya. That I can understand. Sobrang sensitive ninyo, pero at the same time, kasi wala namang basis yung ginagawa ni Respicio kasi ina-address naman na namin yung imposibleng mangyari yung sinasabi ni Respicio kasi ganito yung ginawa na namin system bago pa niya sabihin yan. So, ma-demonstrate nila na what he is doing is really malicious. That I can understand. But if they're just going to sue Attorney Respicio without addressing yung mga issues na ni-raise ni Attorney Respicio tungkol sa vulnerability ng mga voting machines ng COMELEC, then we have a problem, Houston. Because probably Attorney Respicio was able to hit a nerve there. Baka may basis yung sinasabi ni Attorney Respicio. Ngayon, kayo COMELEC, ang trabaho ninyo is to assure the Filipino people that you would be able to conduct a fair and clean elections. By suing Attorney Respicio, does that make the election clean and fair? Does that address the issues that were raised by Attorney Respicio? Hindi ba dapat ganun po yung pagtanggap nyo dyan sa mga issues na yan?